Yay, all of you beautiful souls. What is the best time to listen to Subliminals? Well, the best time to listen to Subliminals, honestly, is when you are asleep. And the reason why, because any fool can know, a wise man actually understands, is because when you are asleep, your subconscious mind is very relaxed. It's so relaxed to the point where, it's just wide open. It's receptive, right? And those affirmations just flow right into that bad boy. Now, when you're not relaxed, your subconscious mind has a lot of resistance. There's a lot of other activity going on in the mind. Now, when you're relaxed, you meditate. For example, I'm a very light sleeper, believe it or not. So I don't listen to subliminals when I'm going to sleep. Those voices drive me crazy. And other people, they can. And the results that people have achieved while listening to subliminals when they're asleep are astonishing. Because not only are you relaxed to a sleeping state of relaxation or deep relaxation, also you're asleep for 8 hours, 9 hours, or whatnot. So it's a long time. People a long time ago, while running an ad for a subliminal booster on YouTube, a lot of people were leaving comments like, "Hey, I was sleeping when your booster started playing." And I had some very, very gnarly dreams, dude. I love writing books, I love writing books because, I get to go through the perspective of so many different characters. Dude. Now, maybe a lot of people didn't understand that humor. If you did, give yourself a thumb up. Big thumbs up. Give yourself 2 thumbs up, because today I have a very special deal for all of you guppers. Now, if you can meditate, if you are a light sleeper like myself, I highly recommend meditating. Meditating and listening to the subliminals for you can achieve the results that you deserve. Have a beautiful day, all of you subliminal endeavors.